welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, hello, my name is Amina, and as you've already read the title, this is going to be an Eid vlog. But let me tell you guys, this is going to be more like a chit chat vlog than like a Eid vlog, because you know how gloomy the climate is. I really hate it. It's like I can't go anywhere. I just have to stay at my place. And yeah, that's how it's going to be. I don't even feel like Eid. So this is just going to be, like what I do on Eid usually. I'd be telling you all of that. And then we're just going to be talking. Chit chat, chit chat. Okay, that was bad. But you know what, you guys? You all seem to enjoy the random rants and, me talking like random stuff. I don't know how, but you all seem to enjoy that more than the things that I actually put a lot of effort into. So I thought, why not? Let's just do a chit chat vlog today. Let's just talk and take you through a little things in my life. Okay, so first off, I just got up. You can just see I literally, my hair looks haywire. I just got up and brushed my teeth. I have to go drink coffee and then I have to take a bath. After which Eid begins. I have to pray, meet everyone in the house. Like, so that's how it's gonna go. But another thing that I wanted to say is that, wait, let me just come like here. Okay. So can you see anything different on my face? If you have found it, we are friends already. But oh my god, have you noticed it or not? Just look at me. I've done my brows, you guys, like for the first time ever. If you've been here, you know that I'm very scared of it and I never touch my brows. Like, even when I do makeup, no, I don't go to that area. I just do like the basic stuff and it's done. But for the first time, I don't know what happened to me. Yesterday, I went with my sister. She used to do, her brows. And I always used to be like, how are you doing that? I mean, it looks so scary. But then I don't know what went into me. I was like, I told even I want to get my brows done. Let's just do it before I change my mind, and I got it done. It was so damn painful. Like, it's the most painful thing that I've ever done in my life. It was so painful, but I really love how I look. What do you think? What do you think? I really love it. Okay, with all that being said, my skin was actually doing really good like in the past week. But now, since I went and got my brows done yesterday, it's been really bad. I mean, I don't know if you can see. It is very much visible in person than in the video. I will try and show. But yeah. It's like, guys, a lot of bumps and it's not really that good. And yeah, that's about it. And I was worrying about it because you know what? Today is Eid, but I don't have much to do at all. I don't even feel like the festival vibes. So I'm just gonna be shooting. That's all I've planned for today. Yeah, but I just don't want to go on and on and on now. I'm gonna go and have my coffee. You all know I can't go without that. But before that, I want to show you all a very sad thing. My hand is actually aching a lot because I've been holding my phone, okay, with my hand and not tripod. Usually, I have my panda thing over here. I even forgot the name. Oh my god, what's it called? Pop socket. Okay, so I will just show you. Look at it. This is how I've been holding it. So you can imagine the amount of pain that I'm experiencing in this area. So just look at it. Just look at my phone, you guys. This area. So this was where I had my panda pop socket and I used to hold it like this. So it was very easy, okay? But now it's like, very bad, like how it looks. I'm going to be changing the cover. I've bought like a baby pink phone case from H&M. Let's just try that. But yeah, I'm like very sad because it was the cutest thing ever, and it's like empty space now. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna go. Okay, so breakfast is done. Now I have to go take a shower and get ready for prayer. But before that, as I already mentioned, my skin is not doing well, and after like one whole month, I'm going to be shooting again. I know this is like the longest break I've ever taken this year, and I was like constantly, overthinking and a lot of things. But I'm just happy to be finally shooting after one whole month, and also it makes me kind of, nervous. I just want everything to be done today, like whatever I've planned, I want it to be done. But let's see, it all depends on the weather at the end of the day. Now it's looking kind of, good. I hope it stays like this for like a really long time. What I'm going to be doing is I have ice cube over here. Okay, so I'm gonna like gently, massage with the ice cube all over my face, and it does really work. It works amazing. But if you're, see, I've been used to this process. I've been doing this for a while now. Like whenever, I feel not so good about my skin, like whenever I have bumps and stuff like that, I what am I saying? I. Okay, yeah, I always do this. But what I suggest is, please always use a cloth. Like use a cloth over the ice cube, okay, and then like gently massage the same way that I'm doing now. But just don't directly go with the ice cube like I'm doing on my face right now, okay, because it's not good. No, it's not good for my skin as well. But at the moment, I'm really running late. Why? I'm just blabbering. Okay, guys, sorry. But yeah, at the moment, I'm really running late, and I have to go get ready and like a lot of things to be done. So I don't have the time to go find a cloth for this, like a clean cloth. Hey guys, so it's done, and I feel far better than it was before. What am I saying? My skin feels really, really good. So this is the hack. Definitely try and let me know if it works for you as well. And now I have to go get ready, and I'm just planning to make like a whole setup. Let's see how it works. I'm so skeptical about everything at the moment. I don't know if you can see me, like see it on me. I'm really, I don't know. I'm just not feeling anything, you guys. It's just like, guys. So I just took a shower. I'm in my first Eid outfit, so I'm gonna be praying now. I literally have nothing on my face, so only after prayer I would be prepping my skin, doing my makeup, and then changing into the actual like classic Eid outfit. So yeah, and I'll be posting more about my outfits on my Instagram. So I will attach the link in the description and the name over here. So go check out my page. Hey you guys, so the prayer is done, and now is the most important part. There are two things. Number one, food, food, food. Number two is I have to go get ready. I have to do my makeup and wear the classic Eid outfit. Guys, I'm very, very excited for like, to wear this one. I'll tell you why. Because I've never worn that color. I always wear dark colors. If you have like seen my, Instagram, you would get an idea. I don't wear like colors like that. So very excited. And even the model. So it's, when I say classic Eid outfit, it's like the Pakistani, model of Eid attire. So yeah, I'm just so excited. It was my mom's selection. As usual, she is such a queen. Her taste in clothing is just like phenomenal. She I don't eat biryani, so for me, here it is the special food. Oh, it's so yummy. So it's mutton chukka fry, and then ghee rice. Okay, I'm gonna go have it and have my heart filled with joy. Yummy. First class, 100 out of 100. Mm. Guys, food done. Now is the most important part. Oh my god, I am feeling so nervous and everything. I really don't understand why. And I'm going to be using like backdrops and everything, and it's like too heavy. And I am like, I mean, I have to do everything all by myself. So yeah, let's just hope, guys. Everything should be done. After I go set up, like finish the whole setting, I have to do my makeup. Then I have to get ready, and then I have to like start the actual shooting process. And already the light is gone. I really have no idea what I'm going to do. So yeah, let's just try. I'm not even sure if this is going to go up on my channel because of, I don't know, maybe this is boring. I don't know. Let's just see. But if I still make it there, and if you're still watching, hello, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to not miss out on my future videos. It would mean a lot to me. Please go do it right away, okay? Guys, after 1 hour the setup is finally done. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Actually, I'll show you how it, this is how it looks. It's like so much work. I'm not even going to show you the bed because it's so damn messy at the moment. But yeah, I should have pressed the backdrop, but I got like no time to do that, so I didn't. So that's exactly why you can see all this over here. But nevertheless, I'm gonna go start shoot, man. I have to like wear makeup and everything. It's gonna take a lot of time. It's gonna take like a lot of time. I mean, like I have to like from morning. I've just like taken shower. If you've seen my face, like look at it. It's so dry. I didn't even apply moisturizer. I didn't even do skincare. It has becomes like it has become worst. Okay, and I really have no idea what I'm doing. But okay, let's just try. I just hope it works out well. Fine. Let's see. Oh. Hi guys. So this is me in between shooting, trying to straighten my hair. Like this is my first attempt. I've not done it myself. Usually, I don't know what I'm doing. I honestly don't know what I'm doing. Just don't judge, okay? But I'm just trying to look good when I shoot. So yeah, that's the gist. It's actually 5:20 p.m. Okay, and we're still shooting, bro. And behind the camera, it's Zinya. You all know her. I'm gonna be attaching the vlog here in case you all don't know who is Zinya. She's my little sister. So she's the one behind camera. I really have no patience of doing this. Trust me, I'm like so scared. I have like no idea what I'm doing at the moment. Okay, what am I doing? I would just like to say, if you don't know how to do it, please don't. Please don't. It's literally, I don't know what I'm doing with this. I'm just trying my hand out, I guess. But yeah, it's been a very long day. And things are back to form, I guess. I can't wait for you all to watch a lot of content which will be up on my Instagram handle. So yeah. Guys, I completely forgot to show you all my Eid outfit. So this is the classic Eid outfit that I was talking about. You'll be able to see like all the content, like most of it would be fashion content, and we have even like makeup, everything on my Instagram handle. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Stay updated. You're gonna like get a lot of good content. I'm really happy with the outfit. I'm still shooting, but I'm really happy that I'm shooting after so long, and everything has fallen into place yet again. Guys, I just finished shooting. It's been a very long day. I'm very happy with the results, and it's been wonderful till now. I'm just like dead, okay? I'm like dead physically. I can't even move. I'm like so damn tired. I can't even remove my makeup. I've been starving from like the moment I had. You all saw that I had like only this much rice, ghee rice, and then mutton chukka. That's it. From that moment till now, I've not had food. So I am like starving. It's 10 o'clock now, and okay, but at the end of the day, I'm just happy, okay? I'm just happy that I was able to shoot whatever I wanted, and it has been a very good day. Okay, what was that? That was so bad. Okay, but then it was a very good day. Okay, better. But look at this, you guys. My makeup looks so good today. I really love how this makeup gives that fresh skin look, like the plump, the rosy cheeks. I really love it. I'm very happy. Basically, it's been a very good day. It's been very productive. I'm just happy, I'm just happy. You can just see it on my face. Now I'm gonna go have dinner. Only after that, I'll be removing the makeup. And that would be the end of it. You know the drill. If you like the video, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Okay, please. I'm working really hard for this. And yeah, subscribe. Bye.